Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a sort of cloud slime. That's what I'm calling it. I imagine it's more of like a doughy, cloudy, slimy thing. So all you need for this is no solution. It's just corn flour and hair conditioner or shampoo. No, conditioner, I'll try it. So I've just got this simple conditioner. It's apple scented and it makes the slime smell like apple, which is always a good thing. Yep, and then just normal corn flour, and I've also got some dye. I'm going to do mine purple, but you can do it any colour. And I've also got a cup measurer. I forgot a bowl. I'll be right back. And I'm back. So I just went and grabbed a wooden spoon for mixing and a bowl. Can I help you? Go away. Okay, so the basis of the mixture is 1 part conditioner and 2 parts corn flour. So basically 2 cups corn flour, 1 cup conditioner. Oh, that was loud. Now would be a really bad time for it to get really windy. Stupid weather. Right, so I've got my bowl. I'm gonna get a cup, 2 cups corn flour. I'm doing the corn flour first, so otherwise the conditioner makes the thing all horrible. So go away! Oh, it's going all over me. Alright, I'd say a level. Okay, I'd say a level amount is good. Need another cup. Need another box of corn flour. Ah, I'm already covered. Brilliant. Okay, another box corn flour. I am prepared. Oh, please open. Oh crap. Oh, there we go. Okay. Here we are. And let's go again. Right, let's flatten all that out. And put another splodge. I hate corn flour, it's just weird. Right, that's about a cup. That'll do. Tap all that in. I'm going to move the camera in a minute. Move it. Hello! Still here. Just angled the camera a bit better. And if Gwen ruins this, I have proof. Right. Oh, I need another cup of this. Okay. Ooh. Come on. That'll do. Nah, maybe a bit more. When I last did this is the second time I've made this. And when I last did it, I ended up needing a tiny bit more corn flour. So we're doing this as a base and then we'll add more if we need more. Right. I will say though, if you want it less sticky and more doughy, then more corn flour is the way you want to go. Now I've got my conditioner. I have got another bottle of conditioner if I need it. Alright, and then we want 1 cup of conditioner. Ooh. I swear I have got some. It smells really nice. Come on. Let's close it. Bang it all down to the bottom. That's it. Perfect. Ooh, that looks weird. Ugh. Oh, please be enough. Otherwise I'm going to have to go inside and get the other bottle. Come on. Come on. No. I don't want to go inside. Ah. This brake set was so bad. I think it's going to be just the right amount. if I don't want to add any more. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Right. That is just the right amount to be a cup. And actually adding less conditioner may mean I won't need to add more corn flour, so it could work out quite well. So that is like a tiny bit less than a cup of corn flour. I'm just going to plop that in. I'll get my scoop so we can scoop it. Oh, that's falling. There we go. Right. Wooden spoon. Can't really do this with my left hand. Need to swap. There we go. Okay, much better. Right. Okay. It does smell super nice. So that is redeeming the fact of how currently gross this is. Okay. That's almost all of it. I'm going to say that's all of it. So that is our current mixture. And we're just going to mix it all carefully so the corn flour doesn't go poof. Right, it does take a bit of mixing, but it's not too bad to mix. Unless you've added a tiny amount of conditioner, then it would just be really, really hard. So it will look really dry until you finish mixing all of it together. Okay. It's getting there. So because of my conditioner, it's got a tinge of green to it, but that's just because of the products. Oh, it went in my fingers! No! Right. I'm going to have to start using my fingers at some point, which is just going to be rather gross. Right. It's going to be quite sticky at the moment, because it's just the base of it at the moment. So I think if we add a bit more corn flour, it should get better. Okay, still here. Right, gonna add a little more corn flour to make it less sticky before I start handling it with my hands. Okay, so I'm going to start handling it with my hands now. Hopes it won't be too bad. Roll my sleeve up. Not that these sleeves are best to roll up. Okay. So it might actually need... Oh, actually, maybe not. I was going to say it might need some more conditioner. Maybe it won't. I'll add whatever's left in the bottle. I don't think there's a lot. There's like a squeeze, if that. Okay. Oh, my sleeve's rolling down. Okay. Not the best top I could have worn for this. Did not think that through. Remember for next time. Right. That'll do. Pretty sure that bottle is empty now. Where's my dog gone? Gwen, what are you doing? She's gone behind the shed, the idiot. Right. Puppy! Come! Now is where you see she is not trained. Okay. Right. Just need to mix all this together. Oh my god. The small amount of OCD inside of me is just... Oh! I think if I just keep mixing, it'll get to everywhere and it won't be as bad. Right, I'm just going to try and zoom the camera in. Admittedly, it's not like incredibly sticky. If you like push your hands in it, it's sort of, the bulk of it comes off your hands if you just like push them in. But this is actually about the right consistency, so I'm just going to move the camera. Oh, gross. Gross, 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 gross. Gross, 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 gross. Okay, I've added a tiny, like half a teaspoon of corn flour. So I think that'll just get rid of that tiniest bit extra of stickiness. Try and get it out the bowl. I think if I hold it, I'll be able to mix it a bit easier. So it's still very much, if you guys know what oobleck is, it's water and corn flour mixed together, where it goes like a hard and a solid, depending on the amount of force applied to it. And it is very much like that. Like if I add force, it's really moldable. Then if I stop, it really, really slowly moves. I'd be interested to see what would happen if you mixed water with it. That's basically the final product. It's white at the moment, so I'm just going to add some stuff to it. You can't really tell, but by feeling it, I can really tell. Like it just slowly droops. But it's really good and it's really fun just to like mold. But it's definitely more of like a cloud slime, I would say, from what I've seen of like videos of cloud slime. I'm not really a big slime video watcher person. But it's really fun to do, and it's not really sticky. It's slightly sticky, but not really, if you get my gist. I don't know if it keeps, not sure. I'm going to keep this overnight and see what it's like the next day, and when I post this video I'll be able to tell you in the description below if I remember to put it in. So if it's not there, it's because I have forgotten. But yeah, let's add a bit of colour. What I want to do is split it in half, make some purple and some white, and then mould them together and see what it looks like, because I think it will look pretty cool. I think if I do this at the bottom of the bowl, maybe it will collect some. So let's make this into a rough ball, sort of. It's sort of mouldable, which I quite like about it. You know, it goes really smooth. It's weird. Right. But it does like slowly sink down. It just feels like a really, 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 really thick oobleck. But yeah, so I'm going to split it in half, it's about half, and add purple to this half. Oh god, it dyes my mouth. I'm going to get so pissed. Gwen! Off! The little bugger was climbing up the tree. I know I have opened this because I used it to make a rainbow cake. Oh, please stay split. Oh, I can't open it. Ah, I have opened it. I'm sure I have. Okay, that just went in my face. Ugh. Maybe I haven't. It's got like a seal on it. Maybe I haven't opened it. Must have been a different one I opened then. There is definitely purple in a rainbow, isn't there? I'm not like making that up. It's like lilac. Maybe I haven't opened it. Huh. Apparently I'm not. I thought all the dyes in our cupboard were opened. Mainly because of me. Randomly deciding to dye stuff. Right. Finally. Ah! Got it. Okay. Oh, please still be split. Please still be split. Please. 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 Okay. Yes. Right. So this is like a gel dye. It's really good, and if you're baking, I highly suggest it because you can't really taste it. and it's not liquidy, so it doesn't make your batter all liquidy and horrible. So I'm just gonna splodge it on. You don't need a lot. It's really, really pigmented, but I probably am going to need more than that, and I'm feeling, yep, this is going to dye my hands purple. Great, that's exactly what I wanted. Oh, not. Right. I'm really hoping this wooden spoon is going to pick up some of it, but I think it's too big. Nope. It's too big to pick up. Damn. That's rather a shame. Right. Just got to mix this for ages now until it goes purple. Oh, the odds are I'm going to get to a lilac and give up. So, lilac may be the best we're going to get. Oh, itchy nose. Right. Let's make this end thinner, and then maybe it will scoop in. Oh, that looks good. That's promising. Right. Alright, hopefully it's going to all mix in. Oh, it's going. Please don't knock over the corn flour. What's this? Come here. She doesn't like it. Oh my god, my genes are actually insane. Right. I've gotten a grey. Need to add more. I'm just going to screw it and just put some on my finger. I'm going to regret that so much. If this does not dye it purple, I don't know what will. That's as purple as I can A, get it, and B, can bother to get it. I mean, it is definitely purple. You know, no denying, unless you're someone who says it's lilac. Okay. Right, I'm going to mix it with the white now, and I'm going to change the camera so you guys can actually see it. I've got my two colours. So I'm going to smush them together. So this is the final result. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up anyway. And I'll see you all in my next video. I'm now going to spend the rest of the time trying to make the white as purple as the purple. It's really good I don't do ASMR videos. I would be shit. Right. There we go. All sorted. Lovely jubbly. Right, and yeah, if you just do this, it sort of comes off, except the actual dye. That ain't gonna come off for days. So yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up anyway. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, also, something I keep forgetting to say. I have now got an Instagram channel for this page. It is called Seth Stuff Official. So yeah, go follow me on that for updates on videos, possible polls as to what video I'm going to upload or what you guys want me to do. And if you have any suggestions for me, then leave it in comment below. Leave a comment on anything. And yeah, bye. Ugh.